Ready to streamline your mobile phone accessories business finances? Today, we're diving into how to use Peachtree, now known as Sage 50, specifically tailored for managing the finances of your mobile accessories venture. First, let's customize your chart of accounts. Essential accounts include inventory categories for cases, chargers, screen protectors, and specific sales and cost of goods sold accounts for each product type. This level of detail is essential for tracking profitability per accessory type. Next, set up your inventory items for each accessory. Input the item ID, detailed description, unit price, cost, and initial quantity on hand. Make sure to link each item to its corresponding inventory, cost of goods sold, and sales accounts. Recording sales is crucial when you sell an item. Enter the customer details, date, invoice number, the specific accessory sold, quantity, and price. Peachtree automatically updates your inventory and sales accounts. Managing expenses is just as important when you purchase new inventory or incur other business expenses. Record them accurately, specifying the vendor, date, invoice number, the account debited like inventory or advertising expense, and the amount. Leverage Peachtree's reporting features to generate income statements and balance sheets. These reports offer valuable insights into your business's profitability, cash flow, and overall financial health, helping you making informed decisions and optimize your operation.